Have you ever seen a photo of a lion or maybe a bird in mid-flight and you're like, I want to do that? My name is Vanessa Joy. I am an experienced wedding photographer, but I decided to try wildlife. I want to teach you all about my journey with wildlife photography. In this Kelby 1 class, we'll be discussing gear, what cameras, what lenses do you need to have, and all the other accessories. We'll go over camera settings, continuous drive mode, and focus modes. We'll talk about techniques like composition, framing, decluttering your background, and making sure that you do not have center focus syndrome. I'll talk about where to find wildlife so that you can practice maybe before you go on a wildlife photography trip of your own. And then of course, we'll talk about lighting, how to work with different kinds of light that are in your control and some that are not. And of course, give you a whole bunch of eye candy, all the wildlife photography that I recently shot in Kenya in the Masai Mara. It's definitely a treat. I hope that you watch this Kelby 1 class and it inspires you to get out there, try wildlife photography, or maybe learn something new about it exclusively at kelby1.com. I'll see you there.